Adamba, Honorable Sylvester Tete, Member of Parliament for Watian Nomination Mafro, my brother Honorable Jaja, our PC for Ayawaso North, Sunny, distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here with His Excellency Alhaji Damba, Dr. Usman, and Honorable Sylvester to represent His Excellency the Vice President, Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia. We would have been loved to be here, but an equally important assignment has taken him away from the jurisdiction. He brings you his blessings and greetings. 30 days of Ramadan is a serious journey. 30 days you have an opportunity to communicate with Allah. 30 days where you have a physical cleansing of your system so that you'll be able to have a relationship with God. The Quran tells us that, oh Allah, any good thing that is on earth, let me enjoy one. And when I die and I go to heaven, any good thing that is there, may I also enjoy one. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasanatan wa fil akhirati hasanatan wa qina azaban nar. I'm saying this because the end of this Ramadan is another beginning of the relationship that we're going to have with God. His Excellency has asked me to tell you that he will always be in touch with his Muslim brothers and sisters and anybody that has a relationship with God. And as I say this, I've heard the Imam and other commentaries with regards to the LGBTQ. And let me emphasize, His Excellency the President Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo has said it time and number that he will not sit down for that thing to happen in this country. He has not reneged, but he's hoping for the Supreme Court to make a determination. Let us be patient and see what Allah will guide him to do. Going forward, the Vice President has a relationship with this mosque. He has been supporting you right from day one. And I've been told that last week he made a handsome donation of 200,000 cedis. It is our prayer that we use these resources to advance the work of Allah, to promote Islam in this country. In Ghana, we are one. Whether Muslims, whether Christians, we are one people. We are from the tree of Adam. So I pray that as we live here, it is our duty to support one another. In the times of Ramadan, it is a time of sacrifices where we assist one another. And I pray that as Dr. Bawumia, you pray for him. And inshallah, by the grace of Lord, I know Allah will speak and make him the president of this country. On this note, we have a donation on his behalf of 20,000 Ghana cedis to support the organization of this prayer. Salaam alaikum, Jama'ah.
200 million.
All currency 200 million.
Okay.
There are some people who are still low, so there's actually 200 million old cedis.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day. HAFIZ TV, unique every day.